Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, man. What? We've been live for what, 9 hours now? Subscriptions. Can you hear me, bro?
Okay, can you hear me?
I can hear you, man. Can you hear me clearly?
Oh, I can now hear you. Yeah, I was disconnected a bit there. I was saying, General, how you doing?
Oh, man, I'm good, man. I'm very good. I'm very good. I'm very good. I just wanted to
That
make
is
some money today. I'll risk at least 0.5% of the account and then see where it can get us. If we can just successfully today make at least a 5R, whether it's on 1K, whether it's
okay.
at different, but you know, I'd really like us to at least make 5R, which would practically be like 2.5% of the account.
Okay, that's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So let's see. Yeah, let's
How
see what
have
the
you been?
market has for us. Let's see what the market has for us. And
How have
is there
you
anything
been?
that you? Oh, me? I've been
Yeah.
okay, man. I've been alright.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, the week has been productive, should I say? I think I've
Mm-hmm.
been a bit late back a bit. These things I wanted to do, but I haven't done. They keep on
Mm-hmm.
piling up. So, but other than that, though, I'm okay. I'm looking forward to the market as well. I'm looking forward to whatever the market offers us, whatever the market has. So we'll see
Yeah.
what that has, and yeah, the risk as well will be 0.5, and the risk being 0.5,
No, man.
meaning
Yeah. We are not risking 1% today, right? We are not risking 1%. We're
no, no,
only
no, no,
risking
no.
0.5%. We will risk 1%
Yeah,
once we have a buffer.
exactly. Exactly. And all this is just on a demo account, by the way, guys. This is not any financial
Yeah. Yep.
advice. This is not exactly.
Yes, yes. I
So
not to say that is a very important point. That is very, very,
mm,
very, very much true. It is a demo account. It is not what advice. What do you say, Gonja? It's not what advice. It's on a demo account. We are trading demo.
not
Demo.
financial advice.
Yeah. It's not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are just two friends who are just looking at the markets. We are not trading on real accounts. It's just demo. We are trading on free trials on prop firms. It's a free trial.
True. Exactly.
So,
Okay. So let's get into it. What have you been looking at? Um, what are your instruments that you have on your watch list? Maybe I could
today
start.
I'm just today I'm just looking
Yeah.
at gold, man. Um,
Okay.
from 2 weeks back, for me, gold has been quite good. I'm not
Okay.
gonna lie, I've been quite happy with the analysis on gold. But then for today on gold, I'm just seeing a sell for today.
Okay. You're bearish. So you're bearish for today.
Yeah, for today. Let me not even say I'm bearish for today. Let me say I'm bearish until a certain point. That point can reach
Mm,
today, that point can reach tomorrow, but then I'm just for today I'm bearish. Or for now I'm bearish.
that makes sense. That actually makes sense because when you say today, you're kind of like limiting yourself, right? Even if price now tends to be bullish, you still want to get stuck on that. Today, I say it's
Exactly.
bearish. But
Mhm.
you said, yeah, you said very well. Makes sense. Makes very sense. So much sense. Okay. I think your screen is on. Yeah, I think it's
Mhm.
on. Uh, okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, got there.
Hmm. Okay, can you see my screen, right?
Yes, I can.
Where are my things? My tools. Let me do this quickly. I wanna find my tools. So, alright. So from over there, little gap over here, I would not even I practically most people would be like, okay, from here we are gonna drop and go take out this low over here, right? But I'm gonna
Mhm.
drop into this pivot gap over here and then go up into that fair value gap over there. Yeah, what I'm seeing at the moment. So if we have to go from here and then we go to 1 hour, wait, no, then I did not draw it out of the feature over there. Okay, and then there's also this fair value gap over here. There, then we go to 1 hour. Why? Ah, goodness me. Oh, should make all of these things visible on smaller time frames. Visibility. Let's make it. Okay, I think 1 hour should be okay, but let's also go for 15 minutes. Then we go down to 1 hour. When we have to go to 1 hour at the moment, we have to go down to 1 hour. This is the fair value gap over here. So over here, this fair value gap. This fair value gap is outside of this overall fair value gap, but this fair value gap is within this fair value gap. Hence why I have chosen that is on top, right? So this fair value gap over here is this fair value gap. So hence why I said I'm seeing sales at the moment into like the London kill zone. So from what price is doing with prices over here, I'd be anticipating for price to come into this FEG up into that daily FE then drop. But for now, for today, or maybe for the next 2 days or so, this is what I'm anticipating so far. So this is not my father's market. I cannot be certain and say the market will definitely turn here. There's a possibility that there may be some non the market I do not know because there's different strategies of trading. For all I know, price could even drop even below and come maybe down here, and maybe some other guys who trade with some other strategy will tell us that is called the base system engulfing crab move. I do not know, but from how I trade and how I've been taught to trade, for now, I'm saying because it's now what time is it now? Exactly. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
It's 246.
What time is it? Oh, people. What time? 2:46. So basically, we have
Mm.
about 14 minutes until this candle closes. And once price does that, this would be a fair value gap. Specifically, it's going to be a fair value gap. I'm going to detail the type of fair value gap. So if it is to go within here, so this candle hasn't closed as of yet, but I'm just anticipating if it does close, the way. And then this guy also be visible on minutes. Sure. And then from there, let me go down to 5 minutes and let's see if 5 minutes can show us anything. What is wrong with my network? Why is it so here? These lines show our 1 hour fair value gap over there, and then within this 1 hour fair value gap, I have got this fair value gap. Price comes, it breaks this. So from here now, I've got an even clearer point on. I'm now anticipating for price to come over here and then start dropping. So now let us do this. I've got this guy over there, and then we've got this guy over there. Sharp. So our entry will be there, then our stop will be over there. But just to save, because of the spread on this account that I have on this free trial account that I have, is kind of here. So it's over there. Our left price to come all the way over there, which will be like a 7.7.
Okay.
I just want to do something out quickly. Okay. Let me do this. I don't know why that thing is not visible on the other thing. Where are you, bro? Where are you? Where are you? I'm not lagging on your side, right?
Lagging. I think you might be a bit. You might be a bit.
Am I lagging on your side?
Yes, I think you actually are. Yeah.
Okay, sure. I'm saying, am I lagging on your side?
Yes, you are a bit.
Then if I'm to do that, let me delete this guy. And then let me do this. Then if I'm coming from here over. Now that I've tried
Yeah, you actually are lagging.
for us to do that, then it's going to give us a 13R, but we do not know as of yet. But then ultimately, I'm anticipating for price to drop, come down here, and then go up. That's what I'm seeing on gold at the moment. I may be wrong. There's a 100% chance that I am wrong. There's a 40%, 30 to 40% chance that I am correct. I don't. Well, we will see as the day goes by. But I truly do. Why is this thing dropping without trigger? Guys.
It keeps on dropping.
That's what I have on food.
It keeps on dropping.
It's like I've been up since midnight, New York midnight, and I've been saying that we are gonna sell until that specific point, but I didn't have an entry yet. Now that we at least have an entry, now it's just dropping.
I get you. I get you.
Yep. But that's what I have on gold, man. What do you have on gold?
On gold, let me just share here. Okay, let's see. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. I can only see my screen.
Okay, let me know once you can see it. Let's see.
Okay, I think I can.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can.
Perfect. Okay, so go. Yeah, I am with you on that time frame, right? Just want to look at the bit of more specifics. So we can see we've just broke structure, and we are kind of like retracing back, right? Potential area is like to trade maybe back to that level, right? Just fully cover this whole candle, and then after that we see what price can do, right? We can see what price will do. So on this time frame, we can also see we've got our daily inefficiencies here, and we've got our daily inefficiencies. But I think the most important here it will be our order block, right? We can see the price is retracing. We also have our market structure here, so we can see that from this swing point here to the swing point there. We obviously want to sell in the premium, so we can see price is already traded into the premium, and it can reverse anyway around here, right, to fully complete the move to carry on with the market structure, right? But we have not reached our optimum trade into our OTE, and our order block is like all the way from there, right? That's our whole OB there. And then, so I just want to go a bit closer and look at the market a bit closer, right? So that is our 4 hour efficiency that we have. We don't have much structure here, right? We've reached to this point. Can you see here? Checking out these points, and that's our inefficiency that we have that you marked there. Okay, cool. So I just wanted to look at close price action here for the day. Just gonna mark our previous daily. Okay, so it's our midnight. Just start with just our. Just zoom this out a bit, and then here's our opening, right? And then here's our previous opening. Previous opening is about something. Previous daily high there. So we can see we've also taken out our previous daily high, right? About there. And we could target also. We could even target our previous daily low and go to the level that you were expecting price to reach, somewhere around here, right? So, looking at today, right? So we've taken our previous daily high. Yeah, with a break of structure here, and we are having these are our targets now, as we are seeing here. So we've got this low first to be our target, where we wanna look forward for price to trade towards, and then this low here, right? And then eventually our previous daily low, right? Cool. We are trading towards this these lows. So we've got that. And what else can we expect now for today? Just today itself, if we come back and look a bit closer here, or should I say for London or London entry, uh, it's a bit tricky since we are starting impulsively already. So as we are impulsive, we could either expect a retracement, right? Like you were anticipating to go down, right? Or we could even have a range, even price, we can decide to range and then carry on dropping again, and then maybe a retracement in New York, and then something like that there. So we've got even the third outcome for it to actually just go against our whole situation. So all of these things are possibilities
Yeah.
that we do have, right? Uh, what else are we seeing here? Um, so I just want to highlight our London and our New York. And then, so this here is our Asia, and this is going to be our London. We can see our London has started off very impulsive. We are like dropping
Mm-hmm.
very aggressively low. So another thing is our economic calendar for this week. This week honestly looks a bit slow, or it doesn't look like there's a lot of USD news,
Mm-hmm.
right? We can see already
Yeah.
from Monday we did much of USD on the JPY rate folder, but it doesn't really affect much when it comes to the instruments that we look at. Tuesday as well, not really. Today, oh, Wednesday, wait, what's the date today? Today is Thursday, right? Today is Wednesday. So that's our Wednesday there. We don't have much. We just had GBP news, and I was looking at GBP, and I saw the GBP CPI. I saw GBP was buying while Euro USD was actually dropping. And then so our first USD news is going to be tomorrow, unemployment claims, right? And then we also have our Euro Flash and GBP Flash too. And then we also going to have our USD Flash tomorrow as well. So it's quite a bit interesting.
Yeah.
It's seeing how this market is it's moving so much while we don't even have um, like an economic event taking place or anything. So then we just trading just price action itself, right? Raw price action itself. So yeah, so we are seeing that we are quite impulsive, right? So I don't know our setups for London with gold today, but we now already it's now 3, right? So this is like our time where we actually look for our setups. We look forward to setups, but since we've now broken the structure here, right? We look at now
Yeah.
where can we potentially rise to. We have to look at these carefully now. Our price action here. So we can see that we have this inefficiency, we have that inefficiency, and we potentially have this one here that just began now, right? So we can look at this lately and say, okay, fine, this inefficiency obviously doesn't close, we can't count it. This one here, it took 1, 2, 3, right? For this, have a look at 1, 2, 3. And then, so we've got a breakaway, and we've just taken out a swing point here. So our potential area to retrace back to is this here. That's where we can potentially expect price to retrace to. And that is our range there. So if price will retrace into this area, and then we can carry on going down. I wouldn't want it to actually take out this point here before we retrace back up. If we take out this point, it's going to make things a bit, it's going to become too impossible for us to actually get involved. Because the way it's moving as if we were supposed to be involved here, right? As in, we've got a break of structure and we had a pullback. And look what time that was. It's a time where we are actually not looking forward for setups, or we are actually analyzing, or we're not at the market yet, right? So that's what it's making it look like. So we are there, we had the small price action here that took place, our up close candle, and then we dropped again, right? So I wouldn't want price to take out the swing point before it retraces. I would be looking forward for price to at least do something of this nature here, for it to now retrace to this area here, and then we can actually carry on to maybe even take out that low, but at least maybe back to this area here. That's what we'll be looking forward to actually be currently at this point. Just wanted to see, but I don't think there's much as well. Are you still do you still expect maybe a pullback all the way back up there, like you were looking forward to? With what we are seeing, price action is doing right now. Since we're seeing it's extremely impulsive now.
This thing, my man, has gone down. Like, it has dropped, nah, to a point where by this market structure shift now on, it's gonna form regardless market structure shift on 4 hours. But then I do not believe that price will go back all the way up there to go triggers anymore. I don't. I don't.
I'm with you.
I don't, because I do believe that it's still, I do believe that it's still gonna continue dropping, but for it to go up, to go trigger our entry and then continue dropping, I truly do not believe it's gonna do that. But I do believe it's gonna continue dropping. So from what's happening now, all that we're looking forward to now is just for price to get into that fair value gap, and then we start buying. That's what I'd be anticipating now. But I also do see the that you're talking about where you did mark it out, whereby you said where price is gonna go within that breakaway fair value gap and then drop. I do see it, and that can happen. I'd anticipate that to happen than for it to go back all the way on top there again, then triggers for the drop.
Okay. No, I'm with you. I'm with you. Okay. So what we could do, even we could I think, yeah, London on this instrument we chilled. I think we could. I don't think there is much for us to say, but also I'm looking. So now maybe for potential, because what we can also see here, right? Remember, we've got structure on our right side here as we are dropping, right? And our previous up close candle was that guy there, right? Just gonna put this here, and then do that there, right? And then we'll go to, let's see, the 5 minutes. Let's see what is happening there. Exactly. So that's our structure that we have here. So that's in the 5, and then on the 15, let's see. The 15. So if we put our peak there, our OTE is about somewhere here. So I just want to go on the 5 minutes and see something here. So, okay. So would target at least this area here to get involved. Then we could target going lower, right? So I'm looking at the price action here. We have price We retraced upright. We took out our structure. We retraced back into this area here. We took out our structure. Then now we've got an inefficiency here. So our order block will be about somewhere here for us to target our drop. So moving closer to that area there, that wouldn't be a difficult. I don't think it'll be a difficult trade. And then just all the way through from there to here, it would be okay for us to actually get involved. And then yeah. So yeah, something of this nature. Yeah, that's what we'll be looking forward to.
Mm-hmm.
The condition here is it should not take out this low first. It should go up
Yeah.
into there and then close. But another potential that we could have, we could even have a classic here. All right. So we have a classic. We could trade maybe into the classic, come out of it, and then come and trade into this vicinity here, into this inefficiency that we have here. And then we can target price action to go lower. But yeah, I think that is sorry for that. I think that is about it. I think that's about it. And in New York, we're gonna have to be open to see what we expect.
What's
But I
gonna
think
happen?
New York also gonna have a pullback. Yeah, New York maybe a pullback as well, so we can carry on dropping a bit low, right? That's what
Mm-hmm.
I'm seeing with this guy. Yeah. Let's see. This is our opening. Yes, we're opening lesson about there. Okay. Okay. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see how it goes. But this is the setup that we say. We're only looking at gold today, or maybe we could end it for here and then we could do an update. What are your thoughts?
No, we can see later on what happened.
Pardon, did you hear that? You say?
I'm saying for gold, we that's for now we just chill. We're just gonna see what the market gives us, what hand will it give us, and then we will make our moves from then. But at the moment, there's nothing we can trade into at the moment. We are just chilled.
Okay. No, no problem then. No problem. We are
What
good
else would you
then.
like us to look at?
Um, we are big gold, right? Let's see.
Uh-huh.
Let's look at. Should we look at currencies or should we look at indices?
Anything is fine.
Mm, okay, since GBP USD, GBP news, so we can look at GBP USD. I think that will be okay.
Okay. I haven't analyzed anything else apart from gold in a while, so I'm gonna have to analyze some strat. And you know I take some time analyzing, right? Please be patient with me.
No problem. No problem. Maybe I could
Alright,
start. Maybe I could
everything.
start with maybe I could start
Yeah.
GBP USD.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
see now
So
what's going on.
on that time frame, we don't really have much um, for us to look forward to. Maybe we could even start on the monthly. Let's
Yep,
see.
too
So
much.
you say? You say?
I'm not saying anything. I'm saying on the monthly. I'm saying on the monthly, the setup that I see has already played out. So there's nothing
Okay.
for me at the moment on the monthly chart. So let me go down to weekly and let's see if I see anything on the weekly. Okay. On the weekly, there is this guy. There's that guy over there. Okay.
So break
What
structures.
else?
And then I'm seeing that would be that guy.
Future shift.
Okay.
Are these things visible on some other time frame? Let me see. Not visible on some other time frames.
So okay, so here the weekly, we took out that swing point and then swing low with this guy. So we either having a retracement, right, or we will be targeting targeting that low there, right? That's that high time frame, but it's okay. Let's go on the daily. Excuse me. On the daily, we can see we've got our structure or our last significant swing point on the daily. This point here to that there. So pullback OTE will be there, and then the premium will be around somewhere there as well. So we're going to see if we are going to even have that pullback or not. That's the high time frame, which becomes a bit too much. So I'm trying to filter out the high time frame and just focus on the current price action. So on the current price action, we can see what we have here. Current price action, we've got the daily, we've taken out our previous daily high so far, and we are rejecting. So we need to know what is causing this rejection here, right? If you go on the 4 hour, and we look at our 4, we don't really see much at this point. This move up is the one that we had for our structure, for our economic event, the CPI that took place today. So the structure that we have here is there. We've got that there. This here, we've got that there. So we have not broke the swing point. So we can't say we are reversing. Oh, okay. Let me see if this thing's still moving or not. Let's up at the mouse now. I just ran out of batteries.
Like really?
I think I should just ran out of batteries and say, okay, this battery. Cool. Cool. So we are still in this move here. All of this is still noise, right? That was our structure. So we're still pulling back. The only time you could consider a potential even reversal for us to go up, it's if we've actually broke the structure. So right now we're currently in this noise here that we have. So there's nothing that's really standing out at this point. We've got this inefficiency here, but there's nothing that's making it even valuable, because if we're looking forward to trade this inefficiency, then it means that we are what? We are trading, we are looking to go up while we don't have any reason for us to actually go up. I think I'm going to change this battery. It's actually giving me issues now. Let's see. Okay. Hope it does not act up again. Okay, cool. So let's go on the lower time frame. What is taking place here? What can we see? For me, this is choppy, right? The market is extremely choppy at this point. So I'm not seeing much. I really need to change this page. Things at that time now. Okay, it's responding. Let me allow you to actually analyze while I just go look for a battery, right? Just give me a second there.
At the moment, I'm not seeing anything.
Okay.
Like I'm not seeing anything at the moment, man. Okay. Honestly, okay. The monthly. Is this
Your
one?
battery.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Sharp. Okay, let's do this. Just give me 2 seconds. Let's look at come back to this. So if there's a gap over there. Position. Sharp. Visible. And then from my price is right over now. Mm, mm, mm. Program. Yeah.
You're seeing a serious drop. So what you're saying is that GBP USD is it will reach 1.0359.
Yeah. And then if we go to daily, if there's anything we can see over there. The string. And then it comes to take off this guy. Then one, two, string. It comes to take off that guy over there. So from here, I would at least anticipate price. No, not a physical cap. But from here, price come up here and then continue dropping. And then they could actually not obey any of this. But then let me go back to monthly. There's something I missed on the monthly time frame. Ah, uh-huh. Okay. I cannot speak about it at the moment because this candle has not closed. But once this candle closed, then I will see it. But then, okay, okay, okay. Today's at the 20th now. So there is 11
Yes.
days left. Let me look at the calendar. I wanna see something. I wanna see something on the calendar quickly. So today is the 20th
Okay.
now. One,
Yeah.
two. So if
Yeah.
one, two we do not count, then one, two, three, four, five. Let's see. So basically we have 7 days left for this. Okay, no. I'm seeing okay on the monthly time frame. I'm seeing a sell on the monthly time frame.
Okay.
I'd be anticipating the price to at least sell to 1.03595. There's a that deal, bro. That's huge. That is a huge possibility that I am 100% incorrect. But then now, when we go on to, I can't speak about it as of yet because the candle has not closed. So due to those reasons, let me let me just see something quickly. Let me wanna see here. Something I just wanna see quickly, just quickly. Okay, and then if that is the case, uh-huh, okay, sharp, really. Sharp, that guy into that fair value gap, and then we start dropping. So we have to go into this tiny fair value gap over here. It's so tiny that it's not gonna be so there. Let's go down to 1 hour. Ugh, that fair value gap is supposed to be visible. I made it visible for sharp. Let's go down to 1 hour. Unless if there's something that we can actually see. Okay. Up. So we do not know, but then so far I am seeing bulls on GBP USD, which is kind of strange.
Okay. Okay.
Which is totally kind of strange. It does not make sense. What of it does not make sense. Like it seriously does not make sense. But wait, wait, does it not make sense though? Think of it though. I mean, because we had said it's a step of I, and then huh, overall, on B, what we are seeing is give me 2 seconds. This doesn't make sense. Like at all. Okay. Now, overall on GBP USD higher time frame, I'm
Yes, sir.
seeing sales. But before that sell happens, I would like you to buy to at least that point then sell. So for now, at the moment on GBP USD, I am seeing buy. So I'm basically seeing a buy for a sell at the moment. So for today, Kena, if you have to go down on 4 hour, click on 4 hour, there's that guy. Since we are looking for buys, no, let me say since the analysis shows me buys, let me not say I'm looking for buys. Since the analysis shows me buys with where price is at the moment,
Yeah.
the, and there's this guy over here, and then start buying. So for today or for London or for New York, I just love for price to give us an entry. Entry. That's for price to do. But like I said, what? You are lagging. Something is wrong with our my network or your network. I don't know.
I think it's cutting a bit.
Yeah, you are better now.
Okay. Yes, you're saying?
I'm saying like I said, this is not my father's market. I do not know what's gonna happen, but I would love for price to come down. I would love for price to come down within over here and then start going up. So I would, if it would be nice whereby price could maybe give us some. And if we are to look Asia,
Okay.
Asia's low is right over there, and then
Okay.
Asia's high is right over there.
Mm.
So the high has been taken out. Faded liquidity over there has been the buy stops have been taken out over there to manipulate
Okay.
traders into thinking that we are buying. So we are gonna buy stop over there. I would love for us to come and take out these sell stops over here by taking down these sell stops and then manipulating the traders into thinking that we are now selling. And then from here, then we start
Looking
took out all
forward
of
to
those
going
sell
up.
stops, takes and manipulated these traders, takes out these sell stops. Exactly, exited and they look forward to going up, and then you start selling. And then price comes, it manipulates, takes out all of these sell stops, forming a market structure shift over here, and then everybody thinking that okay, we are now starting to sell, and then it comes. I don't know, but that's what I would love to see price doing for
Okay.
today.
Okay. Can you? Okay. 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 Um. Now I'm with you. I'm with you. That is
Can
quite
I?
simple. You say?
No, I was asking. You said can I? Can I what?
I want you to ask if I could ask you a question. So,
Yeah.
in New York, what are you potentially expecting?
For now, for London,
Okay, for New York.
yeah. New York can only do one of two things, right? Only two. New York can either give a continuation of what London has done, or New York can form a complete reversal of what London has done. Right now, so London, we know from as it is from 2 to 5, from 2 until 5, which is over there. So I'm expecting London to form to sell, right? And then once London sells, I'm expecting New York to correct what London has done and then start buying to reverse London. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay, I'm with you. I'm with you.
That's what I'm
Let's see.
expecting. So for both for gold and for GBP USD at the moment, we are just on our we are just sitting at the moment. But for to be just like sure, not gonna happen, I would me at the moment with what I've seen on both pairs, I would just be like let me just relax off of London and then come back in New York and see what.
Okay, okay. No,
That's
that
what I
is
would do
okay.
at the
That is
moment.
all
I
right.
just relax on both of these days for now. So I basically can put it 7 o'clock New York time.
That is all good. That is cool. All right then. I think analysis is exactly the same as myself. We are just waiting for price to tell us what to do right now. We don't have much for
Mhm.
us to say
Yeah.
this is where we should get involved. But I think um, it's always good to listen to the market, listen to what it's saying, and not always just be there because you want to click a button or press a button. Right now, like we are seeing again, GBP USD, similar. We don't have much, but we are expecting. Let me just share here. We are expecting to see a break, and then so that we can be able to actually act upon this price action, right? Um,
Yeah.
yes. So currently, the drawn liquidity is this point here. All right. We can see we had a whipsaw when the news came out. We had price trade low, and then it went up. So it came to clear all this here, and then to go up, right? Now it's coming back to take out this swing low here. That's the current draw, right? Um, yes. Other than that, though, I don't think there's much with gold. Let's go back to gold and see if there's anything so far, because that's the only one that had a potential set up. Uh, yes. So, like we were saying, we're waiting for gold to potentially come here and then go down. It's
Yeah.
currently ranging. So, um, yeah, yeah. We don't really have anything here now at the moment. So we could
Mm.
just wait, like you said again, wait, we allow price action to do its thing, and um, that will help us uh, be able to take good quality and high quality trades, should I say, instead of just coming to the market again and just wanting to say, oh, okay, I want to buy, I want to sell. We're actually waiting for the market to tell us what to do, and then we act upon it. So I've just set an alarm whenever that goes up, goes and hits. Hopefully, it's within our trading times. Because if it's not within our kill zone, then we are not going to execute. Right? We're not going to be looking forward to actually executing the trade. Um, okay, I think we've done quite well in analyzing both instruments and what to expect. Um, I don't know anything from your side.
So I wanted to do 2% and 2.5% today. Ish. But we will
Funny
see
enough,
if the market will finish with two.
yesterday is the one that had a beautiful
Yeah.
setup yesterday. Yesterday there was a good setup yesterday. A proper setup.
Yesterday was so.
Yeah, yesterday was
Yesterday
good.
was very good.
Yesterday was
Yesterday was very good, but then I was kinda ish. I had to go somewhere yesterday, so I could not. So the weekly analysis. The weekly. Let's give the weekly analysis. I give Sunday. Yeah, the weekly analysis. So I knew what was gonna happen on Monday and Tuesday. That, but then I could not enter because the past 2 days have been kinda. It's been tricky. So, but then for now, today where I'm actually will time gives me an opportunity to trade and like okay, sure,
okay.
this is what we are looking for. Says to complete things. This thing is not giving us an entry. Look, bro. Look at how gold started selling, bro, from 1 o'clock, and we've been up since midnight, but we have no entry. Look at the price has done.
It's been difficult for no reason. Eh?
But it's fine. Look at 4 hours. Go to 4 hour gold.
Or on the phone. Okay. Um,
We are going to sell, but gold is going to sell. I believe gold is going to sell, but it may not give us an entry. But I believe gold is going to sell. Whether it gives us an entry or not, but I believe that gold is going to sell. But if it does not give us an entry to sell, at least can it at least give us an entry to please buy?
yeah.
But see what price is doing.
Yeah.
But can see what price is doing now. It's actually going to the see that minor set here. See that minor setup. that you were anticipating for that sell. I
Highlighted.
believe that's what price is about to
Yes,
do now. Now, yeah, the one
which
you
is good.
highlighted.
Which is good. Yeah.
Mm, very
Yeah, I
good.
see.
Very,
Yeah.
very, very good. Very
So,
good.
so let's wait and see if it will come through because
Yeah,
it could be playing with us. This guy. You know what these guys are.
I
Playing
could
with
be,
us.
but
So we
it
just want to
could
see
be
if we're gonna get.
like it really could be playing with us this thing. So I keep on telling people, and they think I'm joking. I'm like, you see out here, if your boyfriend or your girlfriend is a trader, there is nothing you can do to break their heart, bruh. The market has already destroyed our hearts completely. Like, I have faced high
You're
blood pressure because of this thing. I have faced anxiety. I faced depression. I faced anger at the same time. I faced happiness, joy. There's no emotion I've never felt in this thing. You
uh-huh.
see, when they speak about a toxic, see when they talk about a toxic relationship, it's the markets.
This is the one. This one. Yeah.
You
That's how
see,
you should
the
know.
markets are a
You should know
toxic
you
relationship.
should know where you stand with the market. You should know
Yeah.
where you stand with the market. Because if you don't, it will be extremely difficult for you to navigate your way. So um, yeah, the market is it's very sensitive the same way as you are, and we need to always be. We have to have an urge, and that urge we need to have a trading plan based on, or around that urge, right? And then after that, we need to follow the plan. That is all. That is all. Because what I don't like is whereby you don't follow the plan and you still want to look
Mm.
for statistics. It's hard for you to have statistics because you did not have a fixed set of rules or a fixed set of um, um, what could I call them? A fixed set of environment that you are actually testing um, these statistics on. So at least if you follow your plan, then you know, okay, I
Mm-hmm.
followed my plan, did I get results or did I not get results? Then you can actually work on something. But if you keep on self-sabotaging and it makes it difficult for you as a trader to actually have statistics because they are
Please
inconclusive.
interrupt you.
They have got
Please, can you
external
repeat that again?
forces. You say?
Yes, you are speaking to Anda. How can I help you today?
Excuse me.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Are you back?
Yo, I'm saying that one of the when we were still starting out in the markets, man, we wanted to trade each and every single day, have a setup each and every single day. Guys, there are some times, my man, whereby the market won't give you a setup for 3 days. And even if your analysis was correct, where you knew it was gonna buy, it was gonna sell, if you don't have an entry, just chill and relax, man. Relax.
True.
Just chill. Don't
We
force
may
things, man. Just chill.
yes,
Huh?
we may be day
Just chill and.
traders that, that we trade every day, right?
Uh-huh. Mara living this side of life is beautiful. Imagine our the setups where we entry in London and in New York. That 3 o'clock of the years is actually our morning. That's actually when we wake up from a long day's nap. We sleep literally throughout all of Asia.
Yeah, we best
And
time
then we
zone.
wake up.
It,
And-
it like the best
yeah,
country. I think honestly. I'm here. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Because like literally we literally sleep literally throughout all of Asia. And then when we wake up for people to start preparing to go to work and so forth, that's when London starts.
Exactly. Exactly. We have the best time zone. In fact, I think the best place to be as a trader is in Africa. Why? Number one, right? The time zones as we are talking about, right? The time zones allows us to trade London and New York, which are the best and the most volatile and the best rewarding sessions to trade, right? Number two is the weather. There's no place which is
Right?
better, can get better weather than in Africa, right? So we literally, when we wake up, it's not too cold. Yes, it's hot. I think being a hot weather is better than a cold weather. Um, I think anyone could pick that. Yes, the cold looks cool. It is nice for indoors, but um, for movement, for a person who's got agility and is always looking to be moving around, um, this is the best
And
place to
also
be.
and
Hmm.
also the fact that their currencies are way stronger than our currencies. So I can literally trade with one of my boys in the States, like Kikudi, for example.
Okay,
When he makes 1,000 US and I make 1,000 US, when I bring it back this side, my man.
that is the crazy rewarding. But the difficult part is 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 you see, so the difficult part is the input, but the output is bigger. That's what I would
Exactly.
say, right? Yeah, the output
Exactly.
is bigger.
Exactly.
Um, because for them just to fund or for them just to have just to buy a program for them it's more money. It's literally maybe a minimum wage daily hours of minimum wage, right? While here
Exactly.
it would take the whole month for you to do that, right? But now once the
Hmm.
rewards start coming out, now once we start getting the process of the reward, that's when now we gain big. That's when we do big. So it's a big advantage. It's a huge advantage.
True. True. True.
And the fact that we are able to do this without being in the States and getting charged crazy rates and the standard of living of the States certainly
Tax.
makes
Hey,
it way
bro.
more. You say?
I'm saying that's just one of the best thing because those guys are tech skills, bro. Like yeah. Yo, no, our text is
Yeah.
crazy. I agree, but I the states, I don't know. I don't know whether they are the creators or they're the fathers of text. I don't know.
You might have a point. In London as well, I think it's just about the same as in the States. Um, should I say Europe? The whole of Europe. Um,
Mm,
yeah, I think as well. they're able to charge those high rates taxes because the standard of living is high, so they do get paid good money. So, for example, the minimum wage there
Mm-hmm.
gets paid about maybe 1,500 to $2,000, right? And if you look
Mm-hmm.
at that, if you look at that in rands, that is about 35,000 to you know to 40,000 rands, right? So it's a bit easier for countries like that
Mm-hmm.
to pay those kind of taxes, right? And also still have something left behind for them to pay rent, to eat, and do that. Even though you are left with nothing at the end of the, you can save up still, but you're not left with much at the end of the day. Um, that is the standard of living. But if we are able to fish that here in SA, bro, the standard of living in the States and United and Europe is, um, should I say, the basic standard of living and the minimum wage. With the minimum wage of Europe and the United States, here you live like a king, man. Getting paid 40K a month, 50K a month, you
Trust
can
me.
afford to stay at the proper place, drive a good car, and just do something.
Have you noticed that's why these days, like even on that side, like when I'm, because I like the West most of the time, so I'm mostly like that side in the West. Maybe I go to a restaurant that side or so forth. More and more and more, I am getting guys, my man, like who are constantly from the States, London, Ireland, Scotland, Germany, and it's always more of the elderly people, like people who just retired and so forth and so forth and so
Okay.
forth. And then when I have a conversation with them, they hear, no, we've resigned here. It's a beautiful place. And then I'm like, it is a beautiful place, but is it possible that your guys do realize that the standard of living here is not as high as that side? So most people now, when they resign, even they actually come into Africa, man. I'm not gonna lie. And when they buy their things this side, my man, my man, yeah,
Get
yeah,
you.
yeah. Even they are happy. They are very, 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 very happy.
No, that is neat.
They are
That
very, very,
is
very
neat.
happy.
That is neat. Um,
They are very happy.
this this gold is a bit more ranging.
Let me see
It looks like it
something
could
here
potentially
quickly.
come anytime now. So GBP USD has now managed to take out this low now. We managed to sweep this low.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Um,
Let's see what it's doing. Mm, Rumo shield. Rumo shield. This is everything. Mhm. Damn it. Okay. Okay, so we just
So,
wait at the moment.
okay.
Just breathe and we just breathe. Oh,
So with
yeah.
GU, I'm
Let's
seeing
drop
a potential move
it.
though. Um, so with GU, I'm potentially seeing um, a potential
A
move.
potential what?
It would, you say? Please repeat
Mm-hmm.
that. Okay, yeah. I'm saying potential move
Ah,
of it moving here back up to there, but I will need
I'm
to
seeing the cell.
see.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, so I will need to see a specific confirmation. Yes, I get what you mean.
Okay.
A sell of this nature of like price pulling back to something so we can actually carry on dropping lower, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do get what you're saying. So yeah, that for me, I'll be looking for that sell if I do not get a confirmation of this area. So if we come and break this point, if we
Mm-hmm.
break this low, then I can look forward to the sell. But at this point, I'm seeing a small
Mm-hmm.
potential just move
Mm-hmm.
up. Um,
So,
yeah, I'm
I'm
seeing a
trying.
potential move
I'm
up,
trying
and then
to see something over here quickly.
okay,
Tell me something.
I'm listening.
Oh, 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 oh. I was about to potentially see that up move to go buy over there. I see what you're talking about. I only see it now.
Okay,
I see
okay,
what you're talking about.
okay.
I can see it. And I did not see the there.
Yeah, we're gonna need a
Wait, wait,
confirmation
wait,
though,
wait, wait,
but
wait, wait, wait.
that's that's about it.
Yeah, I get you. I get you.
Uh,
I
I
get
also
you.
see, also see. I think gold is about to reach, or it's actually on its way, should I say?
But go to
Yeah.
1 hour quickly. I wanna show you something.
On what
Gold is
instrument?
about to do something.
Yeah,
No, I'm gonna
gold is
check gold.
about
What
to.
you're saying on gold quickly.
Yeah, gold is about to arrive. So it's on its way.
Yeah, gold is going up, 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 up and away, and then we start selling. Mm. Oh, have you ever watched this? Just to change topics quickly. Have you ever watched this
Yeah,
thing in this episode, the series called The Sandman?
the Sandman. No, what is it about?
Yeah, The Sandman. It's on Netflix. It's a very nice
Is
thing,
it
man. It's a
super
very nice series,
series?
bro.
Is it
Yeah.
super?
Hey, but it's about many things, bro.
Is it
It's
a
about hell.
superhero
It's about
series?
huh? What?
I'm saying, is it superhero? Like, is there superheroes involved? Something? Sandman. If I'm hearing
Not
sand, sounds like
necessarily.
it's superhero something involved.
Not necessarily, but then there's
Okay.
hell involved, heaven involved, different realms from what do they call this? Different realms from the realm of what the Greenland. Apparently, there's a realm in the Greenland, something like that.
Okay. So when did you begin watching it?
So I finished it.
Oh, okay.
It's like
How
what
many seasons?
10 episodes, if I'm not mistaken. It's still one season.
Do you think it was good enough for it to have another season?
I know it's not fair because what? What's this girl's name? Malkis. What's her name? Oh yeah, yes, she Malkis definitely. I don't think it's enough, but it's not fair, bro. What they did these people, but because then after that they're gonna go and then take another company. Let us know how we can help you. And then after that they are gonna go here, and then after that take another 2 years to go take out season two. It's like One Piece, bro. I want One Piece to finish. I'm so sick and tired of I know it's enough. Yo, I yo, Uni, we've been watching
That,
One Piece for so many years. Ah, swear.
that is the reason why I was
They must
asking.
just crown Luffy. They
How
must just
many seasons it have? I find it difficult to watch something
what?
that is one season.
Say what?
I'm saying that is why I was asking how many seasons does it have? I find it difficult to watch something with one season.
Bro, thing has one season for like 10 episodes.
Mm, no, I get you. I
One
get you.
thing. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so what are these people doing? Saying, yeah, straightforward, who's this now? Who's this bastard? Oh, people are gonna go to the gym so badly. Oh,
Why not go? What's like stopping you? Like stopping you?
but isn't it, like I normally go to the gym like in the morning around 6:30. I'm already at the gym, and then I might be maybe from 6:30 to maybe 10 o'clock or maybe 11:30, roughly depending on the sets I'm going to do. But yesterday, like I came back this morning around 2, 3. Then every single day I have to wake up at 5. Hey, bro, I tried waking up. Like I tried. I know. I failed. So now it's already 10 o'clock. I- There are things I also need to do. That's why, like, I do everything via schedule. I try to work via a schedule, but it's so difficult, bro, living via schedule. Because if I miss just 1 minute of it, just 1 minute of that schedule is wrong, bro. The whole entire day is messed up.
I'm with you.
Like, so,
I'm with you.
because right now I need to be, I'm gonna have to start preparing around, I think, half 10, if not 11. And then I start preparing. Oh, goodness. There's a lot. Guning. Yeah, Guning, man. Guning.
No, I'm with you.
Hi, Guning.
I think GU might be giving the confirmation that we wanted to see. Let's see. Which screen is sharing? Let me share the screen
Oh,
here.
oh,
So let's see. So it's
not yet, though. How did I not see that, though? Huh. Interesting. Yeah. And Price
see
just so we just
the
have to wait
spread.
for Price to just go in there. Once price goes in there, we buy. Once price
Yeah.
goes in there, we are buying like crazy, bro. And I only see that now. What goodness we were analyzing this morning together.
Mm.
Let me let me see something over here. Let me go down it. Huh?
I'm listening. You say?
Okay. Okay. No, yeah, I'm trying refining this ink. I'm just trying to refine the entry quickly. Uh-huh. Goodness. No, it's not me. Thought it was me at first. Where are you? Shut up. There we go. Hmm. Let me just do this. Okay. And let's wait. So now we wait.
Yes, sir.
Oh, bro. Bro, we need to play the thing, our the boys trip. We need to
You
go
know?
to them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm saying
Before
we
we
need to
go that
plan the boys trip, but we still need. Uh,
before we go that far, we need
what?
to hit Eastern Cape first.
We need to what? What? Oh yeah, where? Go where?
I'm saying Eastern Cape before we go far. We need to
Ah, no,
hit
definitely,
Eastern Cape
bro.
first.
No, definitely, without a doubt, bro. I was thinking if we can just ish, cause ish, if we could go maybe this December, but yeah, we will see, man. We will see. Almost definitely, we need to go to Zim without a shadow of a doubt. I also want us to go to Nigeria.
What's happening
Yeah.
there? What's happening? What's eye catching that side?
Oh, there's Africa. Just some research in Nigeria, right? On like the and you know where to they are. When I was seeing those images, I was like, okay, I'm sure this is Nigeria. Like I go like, yo, bro, Nigeria is beautiful.
Or like the country itself?
Like it's beautiful. They have it, but you find out maybe like I think it's yeah, or like all over the country they come, and then it's like rich guys and rich ladies. Like they go into schemes, like into little maybe 200 ladies, they're all wearing the same attire. And then that other group, they're all wearing the same attire. That other group, they're all wearing the same attire, and so forth. Nigeria is beautiful, man. Like, it really is, I'm not gonna lie. But like I've always been telling you, before go and go see and go to New York or Germany, we
We
need
should
to start home.
start here.
I need us to go all over Africa. Then we will start going over the other sides.
No, I agree. I do agree. Do agree. How far with gold now?
Mhm. Okay, so 1 minute on GBPUSD. We are still waiting.
So I had taken a risk entry. Um, well, should I
Yeah.
say supreme entry? Yeah, here, and it's actually
Okay.
on its way up.
But then
So
wait. Supreme. How did you put Supreme entry? Because oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
okay, okay, you see that. Okay,
I see
so
what you're saying.
um, let's see,
I
gold, and that alert is not going to it. So it seems like it's really, really, really being difficult. It's trying its best to be a difficult somebody. We did talk about this earlier, though. We are now in a 1 hour. We are now in a 1 hour classic.
yeah.
Interesting. Interesting. Yeah.
Gold doesn't want anything but it. I Gold has beef.
Just, just by, I think we could end by 20 to or to half past, because by that time we won't be looking forward to any setups. So, yeah, pressure.
Eh,
Yeah, you say?
So if you're gonna enter the classic here, our entry would be on 2627 basically.
U2627. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Basically. That's where our entry would be. Let me
And
see
let's see, GU.
what
G, I think G is doing well
our
now.
risk to reward ratio would
Yeah,
be.
look at GU. We are doing actually well now.
Nice.
Yeah,
On GU my man now.
okay.
Let me see something over here. I wanna check something out. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Okay, but mm, on G, you do
I'm
realize,
listening.
Mosuba, there's a nice breakaway that's waiting over there, right on top. Like there's a
Uh,
nice bearish that's waiting there on top. So there's a possibility that from where
this
we
one
are,
here.
we will rise,
Okay, what time
but
frame?
not go take out that high. Go and
What
start.
time frame? What time
You
frame?
can see what you will. It's not possible for me to annotate. It's not. See from where we are now, nah?
Okay,
First go in 15 minutes is fine. You can go in 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
So what I'm
Okay.
saying is, you do realize that we are rising, but yeah, about 15 minutes.
Yeah, I'm
We
on
are
the 15
going
now.
up, agreed, definitely. But then is there a possibility that price is gonna go into how they annotate over here?
I do not think we can annotate you.
Okay, let me go to settings. Yeah. My point is, do you not believe we can go up into that fair value gap and then start dropping into the fair value gap at the bottom and then start going up?
We could, but if we pay attention to the, because right now we are in a breakaway, but it doesn't have any value, right? Remember, all right? The breakaway we are
I'm saying
in,
the breakaway that's above, not that one.
the one that's above. Okay. Um, yes, the one that's above has potential, but um,
The one that's
by the time,
above, not that one.
yes, we talk about the one, this one here at 245.
Yeah, that one. So
Yes.
we can
So
rise possibly and then maybe. So instead of putting stop your TP right there, just TP just there.
okay. Let me just do this here. Just to show my. Let's see. Just give me a second. Okay. It's all good. So if you take the TP and put it, you're saying right about somewhere here.
Just to,
You
just to be safe.
can you?
Yeah, just to be safe.
Okay. I get you. That'll be about a 5 hour. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Not so bad. Maybe take some partials once it arrives somewhere here, and then carry on going up with it.
And then what you can also do is just
Taking
do
partials.
partials in case it just continues going up. Just do partials.
Yeah. Take partials off here, and then complete the move. So this is a program. So yeah, it's an area where we can take partials there. So since we have not had the alert from
Okay,
gold,
we've
that,
got we've got con-
that means that
we've got
this.
confirmation. We've got confirmation on the one. We've got confirmation for that buy on the 1 minute. Let me just calculate my risk to reward and then enter the trade. Open price should be at no man, what the hell's going on here? GBPSD.
Let's see.
Yes, there. Open price is there. GBP Okay, let me check what the thing is, the contract size. No, no, not true. And,
It's, can you hear me, General?
yeah, I can hear you. I'm just entering in the street properly. 9.85. Okay, so 9.6. Okay, let me go to 1 minute. Stop loss. Bro, what do you mean no connection? You are connected to the Wi-Fi. What you mean? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I hate spread, guys.
You hate what?
Spread,
Strength.
spread.
Oh yeah, spread is an issue. Spread is an issue. We need to be very considerate of that all the time.
We wait and see. I'm coming back
Yep.
now, no?
Okay, maybe look at gold and see how's that guy going. Okay.
Give me 15 minutes. 15 minutes, nah?
Thinking about it now, we're about to get into
Yeah.
no trade zone. Maybe we could even end this one. Yeah. What do you think?
Which one? The one that's above?
I mean, like we could end the
Let me
session
see something.
since we're about to go into no trade zone anyway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are about to now.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah, because we've got like what, 35 minutes left.
Yeah.
Alright,
5
my
minutes
G.
left.
No skills, we'll talk later then.
You say?
Alright. We have a session, right? Today.
Cool.
We have a session today,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, we do at 9.
Right. Shop, my G.
All right, sure.
Yeah.
Good job.